Team, before I start this vlog, I just want to say my prayers goes out. My prayer goes out to everybody that was affected by Hurricane Beryl. God know. Everybody. People lose them life. People lose them house. Everything what them have. Now just how you dealing with it mentally. You know? My prayers goes out to me, man. Trust me. They know it never easy. Releasing dopamine. Alright, vlog world. Here we are going. You see, from the last time when you see me a film, light just come back. Remember when I was doing the stream on the sun, they were boring and hot? In the night when I train, like go away. And just get back light, it has been the hardest. All of the food we want to see me buy when we found the vlog, for Hurricane Beryl, just dash you. Like I clean down the fridge so much, it's a brand new fridge pretty much. Yo. Who live in Jamaica knows say grocery not cheap. I never have it, I'm not telling you no lie. But anyway, JPS take forever. After the light go away, we call them up 1,000,000,000 times. 1,000,000,000,000,000,000 times. Thank God for the one person, where they come around here and try a thing. And then we do some investigation and realize the transformer bus. And that was another day. Couple of days worth of waiting. In the night, the mosquito them. The place dark and it hot. Yo, my baby 1,000,000 times. Mommy sinus got sick and weak. I got sick and weak too. I couldn't even train. The way I'm so sick and weak. Plus, as me telling me eye. And then I lick up my head up there, so on the ledge of the thing. See, you can see the swelling? Yeah, right just so. May I jump and I try to get the cobweb them. I lick up my head right there, so. And the hardest thing ever, I honestly thought I did fracture my skull one at a time now. But trust me. I drain out. JPS take forever. Man, them gonna focus on people all the way out in the country and left the capital of Jamaica. They move so slow. I'm so exhausted in my chest. Feel away. It's not like my body weak, because my boy will train. It's hard because of the heat. I was dehydrated. No fan, no nothing. And the night was so hot. If I get up on a fan, my head here started hurt me. The day never better too. My lips them parched. Yo, when a hurricane hit a country and throw off everything over, you really feel it. Because the country is affected really bad. Let me tell you, man. It's rough. It's rough. supposed to all have a tour with my people them tomorrow, Friday. I pray to God may have the strength. Okay, only God Almighty truth. When I time them I go supermarket, to the way I'm so exhausted, I start a ball. Too much stress. Stress me. Because of the heat and Beryl and everything that happened. So much time to deal with mentally. My sinus where she's from. Next month sinus down there. The whole of them light post pop down. So them not no light, so and my sinus left here, so light come back and she dead down there, so in the darkness again. As she left us and the light come back, it's rough. And it just hurt me, man. Anyway, vlog, I'm recuperating my recoup sign. Shall come on. Let's get my strength back. This whole hurricane and Beryl thing really draining. Really draining, man. Really took a lot out of me. Really took a lot out of me, man. Especially when no light not there. Really took a lot. Really took a toll on me. I can imagine with the other people them who lose them house, who broke, no money, and all them things there. You know that rough, you know? Rough. But anyway, no, like around. There. Now if you see with me, draining, man. I'm mentally tired, spiritually drained. I'm worn and torn. My soul just feel heavy. The Beryl thing, man, really knocked me down. Really, as them gonna say, really lick me chip, man. It took everything out of me. And I thank God for the mercies, though. Anyway, peeps, there. Keep on posted and just not gonna know what's been happening. It's a long couple of days, trust me. Long. I'm there. Big up on yourself and more vlogs that come my way, catch up. So I post this tonight. I post the other vlogs that will lead up to this one. Alright, so big ups. Peace out and pray for me and remember that nothing can stop us because God will rock. Shoo.